years ago, I bought my first guns, and one was a 20 gauge and one was a 22, which was a little pea shooter. And then I was gifted, well, actually, I was willed a 30-30 by my beloved brother, which I sorely miss. Not a day goes by I don't miss him. Sympathy. He was a ex-Marine. Beautiful. So I'm going to start with my first one, which is my 22 long rifle. And this is a Marlin. It's I think a game, as I say, don't got my glasses on. It's a game series, and let me turn it this way. It's a game series, if you can see that. Yeah. And this is such a fun gun. Sometimes it jams, but 22s do that. And the way you load it is you undo this, take this all the way out, and then load it right in here. I'm sure a lot of 22s are like that, but in case you don't know, if you're a woman and you're looking to get a gun, this is a good gun to start with. I've used this several thousands of times already, and it's been 3 years, and I have my own target practice in the field back there, so I target practice. My second one is this Stoger side-by-side shotgun. It is automatic safety, so this is a safety. It's automatic, so when you open this to load it, it's empty right now. But if you load it and then you click it back, this jumps back into safety. So you have to undo it every single time. But it's a it's a double barrel, so you can shoot it 2 times and without doing anything with it. And I really like this gun. It was made in Brazil, I believe. So let me take you back to the Merlin real quick. Merlin 22. This 22 takes bullets that sometimes you can never find. I stockpile my 22 longs. When I do find them, I stock up on them because there's a tendency of them running low. I can't get this box open. Hold on, guys. Set them on top of one another. This is like a brand new box, so. And these bullets look like that. They're just little tiny things, but you know, for small game, it'll take them out. And I'm not loading any of my guns. My guns are never loaded. I do keep one loaded by the doors just in case. That would be my shotgun. Now, as far as these right here, if you ever got, I mean, this is a simple 20 gauge, and the bullets for this are like pellets, and I believe it's like the numbers on them are like how many pellets spread out in a certain amount of area, distance, and they go in there, one on each side. Close it up and you're ready to go. This is a quick load and quick go-to gun. This is the one I keep loaded by my doors because I live in isolation. Never know what kind of creepy stuff is lurking around. Okay, so that's that. This is my 30-30. I just was given this by by a will from my brother. It has a scope. It is a Marlin. I'm not sure how old it is. Beautiful, well taken care of gun. The scope on it is spot on accurate. I have shot this gun a lot of times already. And the bullet for this one, as you can see, they're huge. My brother probably knew I needed a smaller hunting gun like this, and he willed this to me. Bless his heart, and I miss him so much. I wish I could be shooting with him. But this is the bullet for the 30-30, which you can tell it's a lot bigger than the other ones. So, and that's it. This is what I got. They've all been cleaned. I take care of them, just like my brother would take care of his own guns. And stay tuned for shooting, because I'm gonna, one of these nice days, I'm gonna go out and target practice. I'm gonna take you along with me. Thanks for watching.